Hey everybody, here are all of my birds. Yep, I've gathered them for yet another collection video of all of my birds. I have a lot, like 100 plus. I have like 100 plus now. And I don't even have them all yet. I've gotten I've gotten new ones recently. Sorry, I haven't been uploading lately. There's several different reasons for that. But I'll try to upload more often. But here's all the birds. Yeah. And so we have the main table right here, which has all of the birds. And then we have down here, which are three other smaller little containers that have birds on top of them. And then we have some back here. And then a whole bunch of them right here. That's probably where most of them are. No, most of them are up here, but there's a lot right here. So I'm going to do all of them. Okay. Here is an ostrich chick. Nene. Canada goose. And my stupid snow goose again. I really gotta get a new one. Trumpeter swan. Large wood duck. A smaller wood duck. Large mallard. New design mallard. He doesn't even have a box. Mallard duckling. Common pochard. Yeah, that's common pochard. California quail. New design California quail. Northern bobwhite. Doesn't want to work today. Two wild turkeys. One without sound. And one with sound. And a leather beak. New design wild turkey. Rough grouse. Doesn't work. Atwater's prairie chicken. Yeah, that's a pretty one right there. Rock ptarmigan. Willow ptarmigan. Doesn't work. Red-legged partridge. Crazy part, he has no legs. Chicken chick. Delaware blue chicken. He's kind of tough. I think he still works. I guess not. But, here's the French hen. Rhode Island red. Ringneck pheasant. Ringneck pheasant again. Common loon. Common loon. Without sound. New design common loon. Penguin chick. Wandering albatross. As you can tell, Mr. Hugs is hugging everybody. Greater flamingo ×2. Great blue heron. He doesn't have a sound box anymore. New design great egret. Old design great egret. Brown pelican. Whooping crane. California condor. Osprey. Bald eagle. The newer fuzzy bald eagle. The new design print bald eagle. Large red-tailed hawk, no sound. Smaller red-tailed hawk. Key clip red-tailed hawk. Another red-tailed hawk. And one without sound. New design red-tailed hawk. Killdeer. Pippin plover, new design. Pippin plover, old design. Oyster catcher. Long-billed curlew. Willet, ×2. Atlantic puffin. Another Atlantic puffin with feet. Ring-billed gull. California gull. Rock dove. Two turtle doves. Mourning dove. Greater roadrunner. Common cuckoo. Barn owl. Large barn owl. Snowy owl. Keel-billed toucan. Two more keel-billed toucans. These ones both do not work. The weird red-headed woodpecker. Normal red-headed woodpecker. Yellow-bellied sapsucker. Downy woodpecker. Nope. Great spotted woodpecker. Northern flicker. Pileated woodpecker. Female ivory-billed woodpecker, followed by two males. European green woodpecker. Great horned owl, large. Small gray horned owl, no box. Northern spotted owl. Great gray owl. Common nighthawk. Ruby-throated hummingbird. Two more new design ones. One's small and one's bigger, and they do not work. Blue-winged kookaburra. No, sorry, laughing kookaburra. Nope, he does not work anymore. A different laughing kookaburra. No, I know this one works. Yeah. Microasian kingfisher. Belted kingfisher. Okay, American kestrel, gerfalcon, peregrine falcon, new design peregrine falcon, the big peregrine falcon, gala, sulfur-crested cockatoo, blue-fronted Amazon, big, small blue-fronted Amazon. Look, they're the same, except this one's smaller. Imperial Amazon, St. Vincent Amazon, small St. Vincent Amazon, blue and yellow macaw, scarlet macaw, Crimson Rosella. Rainbow Lorikeet. Scissor-tailed Flycatcher. Eastern Kingbird. Guinean Cock of the Rock. Another one without sound. Superb Fairy Wren. Pied Butcherbird. Red-eyed Vireo. Red-eyed Vireo with sound. American Crow. Blue Jay. New design. Blue Jay. Cedar Waxwing. Tufted Titmouse. One with black. Black-capped Chickadee. New design. Old design. Black-capped Chickadee. Tree Swallow. Purple Martin. Purple Martin, new design. Barn Swallow. Long-tailed Tit. Cactus Wren. Canyon Wren. Canyon Wren, without sound, but with tags. Carolina Wren. Why is the camera so bright? I don't know. House Wren. White-breasted Nuthatch. Blue Tit. Blue Throat. Northern Mockingbird. Brown Thrasher. Eastern Bluebird. Eastern Bluebird. Eastern Bluebird. Eastern Bluebird. Mountain Bluebird. Another mountain bluebird. Hermit thrush. Wood thrush. Two more wood thrushes. American robin, new design. American robin, old design. House sparrow. New design, house sparrow. Evening grosbeak. Bullfinch. Another one without sound. Crested honeycreeper or Akakoakoi. Maui parrotbill. Iwi. Oh. Try to put these guys back. Another Iwi. This one's a rattle. Purple finch. House finch. Common yellow. Common redpoll. New design American goldfinch. Old design American goldfinch. Reed bunting. Lark bunting. Song sparrow. Swamp sparrow without a sound box. Here's the next row right here. Dark-eyed junco. Chipping sparrow. Eastern towhee. Bobolink. Western meadowlark. Western meadowlark, old design. New design, Baltimore Oriole. Old design, Baltimore Oriole. No, these are both the new designs. Here's the old ones. This one doesn't work, this does. And 2 red-winged blackbirds. Neither of those work. Red-winged blackbird, new design. No sound. Old design, red-winged blackbird. Common grackle. Common yellowthroat. Hooded warblers. Kirtland's warbler. Yellow-rumped warbler. Black-throated blue warbler. This one doesn't work. 2 tanagers, western tanager, scarlet tanager, both old designs. Rose-breasted grosbeak, northern cardinal, old design. Because he doesn't work anymore. New design, northern cardinal. 3 of them. I don't know which one works. There we go. Female northern cardinal. Miniature northern cardinal, original and new design. Yellow-billed northern cardinal. Dick Sissel. I don't know what the heck this is. Blue grosbeak. Blue grosbeak again. New design blue grosbeak who looks very sparkly on camera. Painted bunting. New design and new design key clip. And the old one. One that looks weird and one that looks more normal. Who works. And that is all of my birds. I've been collecting these for years and it's paid off. But there's a few other animals here. Also by Wild Republic. Eastern narrowmouth toad. American bullfrog. Northern cricket frog, or southern, I don't know. Pacific tree frog. Northern leopard frog. Spadefoot. Spring peeper. Ladybug. Doesn't work anymore. He did make a sound though. It was just a buzz. Grasshopper. Mosquito. Dragonfly. Leopard. Coyote. Coyote new design. Gray wolf. Gray pit bull. Australian shepherd. Pug. Bonnet macaque. His head is very close to being gone. And brown squirrel or red squirrel. And that is all of them. I've been collecting these Wild Republic birds for years now, like many, many years.